I believe that the major difference in our law firm is that all of us here are empathic, meaning that we are able to work together as a team and we are able to understand what the other side wants, desires, or creates a situation whereby we are more than able to understand what the courts want. Given that we're divorce lawyers, it's incredibly important that we understand what our clients want. They're going through the most difficult time period in their lives. There's an old adage that we see, as opposed to criminal lawyers, which I'll get to in a moment, but we see good people at their very worst. And criminal lawyers see bad people at their very best. So the difference that I have found is that most of us here create a situation where we're able to view whatever the situation is as if we are in the other person's shoes.
When a client would come in, we would have an initial consult, and we would charge them our hourly rate for the initial consult. Our hourly rates vary depending on attorney. Partners range anywhere between $700 an hour up to $1,100 an hour, or in addition to that, they change every year. But then when they would actually decide to retain us, we would take a retainer, we would discuss that with the client, and then we would work off that retainer at the hourly rate. We cannot get contingency fees. That's not permitted in New York. So we work on an hourly basis. And actually, the way we bill is by every 10th of an hour. So we actually bill for every 10 minutes that we work. So for instance, if somebody was, billing $600 an hour, that would be divided by 10-minute increments, and that's how the person would be billed. And every month or so, clients get their bills. They can see exactly what the attorney did for them, how much is left on their retainer or how much is owed, and that's how we bill.